Welcome back. Today I will show you how to make a delicious, healthy and flavorful Nigerian unripe plantain porridge that is easy to prepare and perfect for any time of the day. Let's get started. I started by peeling off the unripe plantains and cut them into middle-sized cubes. Place them in a clean water to prevent them from changing color while I prepare the other ingredients. For this recipe, I'll be using onions, pepper, smoked mackerel fish, dry fish, white pomo, crayfish, Knorr cubes, salt, red oil, and fresh scent leaf. The onion adds sweetness and extra flavor. Pepper gives the porridge a nice spicy kick. Smoked mackerel fish adds a rich smoky taste, while the dry fish brings a deep traditional Nigerian flavor. White pomo adds a delicious chewy texture. Crayfish gives the porridge a rich aroma and savory taste. Knorr cubes and salt help bring all the flavors together. I transferred the cut plantains into a pot. I added onions, pepper, smoked mackerel fish, dry fish, white pomo, crayfish, Knorr cubes, salt, and enough water to cook the plantain. Then I added red oil. This is the only water we will use, so the porridge thickens naturally as the plantain cooks. Please note that cooking unripe plantain, you don't need to fry anything. Everything needs to cook naturally. Please, if you have watched so far, please kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please, your support really means a lot to me. Thank you very much. Give everything a good stir. Cover the pot and cook until the plantain is soft and the porridge becomes thick. Once it's cooked, stir gently and taste for seasoning. Finally, I added chopped scent leaf and stir well. If you don't have scent leaf, you can use chopped ugu leaf instead. Ugu leaf is also a perfect match for unripe plantain porridge and tastes just as delicious. Cover the pot and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. And that is it. Our healthy, tasty and satisfying Nigerian unripe plantain porridge is ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more delicious Nigerian recipes. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.